Hey guys, it's Erin. I'm out walking on my trail and right near a golf course right now. And I'm just being led to give a message. Today's Sunday. It's a beautiful day out. It's about like 85 degrees here in Northern California. So I'm just going for a walk. And I thought, I kept hearing that rolling down the river, and it reminded me of a message that I had given on this channel about the river, and I was getting like Harriet Tubman vibes, and like how I had a message about that as well, about eating fish and berries and stuff like that near the river, and how spiritual the river is and how it can give us messages. So I was being led to record a message. So I was just seeing like what our Holy Spirit wants me to say today on this glorious day. Right when I'm being led to talk about when I woke up this morning, I had wrote some downloads down, see if I can remember them. I know it was like to be thankful and grateful for each and every day that you wake up, that this is God's playground for all of us. I also got the message that, and I had, of course, we've all gotten that before, but what I got that I haven't heard before is that He prepared this nest for us. So there's a nest that if you're protected, if you're following God on a journey, on God's journey for you, He's prepared a nest of protection. So that felt very comforting to hear that this morning when I woke up. And also there's a bunch of kids that just went by, and that was the other thing God was trying to tell me, is something about like, if you're given children, to know that you were blessed by the children, that you were chosen to be blessed with children. That was a gift that you were given. So to cherish that gift and understand that those lessons that you're getting through those children are meant to happen. Whatever ups and downs, and they're teaching you things from God. And of course, you're teaching your children as well. But you're elevating from your children. God chose you to, I'm getting more of this right now, is like to, I'm trying to think of the words that I'm getting, like to, I'm getting nurture. See that when I get these words, they don't like match up to like a sentence structure that I was thinking. So it throws me off. But I keep getting like to promote the species, to like evolve the species, for humanity to live on, you know? It's like you've been honored with that gift to expand humanity, or, you know, that your bloodline is living on. That your genes, your hereditary genes are able to, expand beyond yourself. So it's a great gift. And I was also getting like a cobweb or something, like an expanding web. And it's like a network, like a tree, like a family tree. And so you're blessed by children. And so if you don't see them as God's angels from heaven that you are learning from, you have to control your human traits, like negative. If you grew up in a family where they didn't treat children like precious, blessed souls coming into your life to teach you lessons, if you're quick to anger or frustration or annoyance or very egotistical behaviors, then you're getting bad karma, and your kids aren't able to thrive and grow as well as they should be. So it's really in the best interest of you and your children to know these things and to grow from each other, to listen to your children. And they're the new generation. They're trying to teach you things that you don't know about because your generation was, above them. So every new generation is learning different things. We're growing so rapidly that, technology changes and relationship changes and all these movements and expansions are creating a youth that is different than their parents. And every generation is like this. From the music to the mentors, to their ideas and philosophies. It's all in a movement to elevate humanity. So you have to go with the flow of it. You can't resist change. It's an opportunity to expand and grow your mind. You can't be rigid in your thinking. This religious process tries to put a lid on our expansion. And that's not what God intended. We need to grow and elevate and learn. And this is God's playground. This is God's, if you're with God, you're in God's nest. You don't have to be fearful of change. Change is good. Here at the river, it's quite loud. This side's much more calm. Beautiful day here. And there's flowers in the trees. I love flowers in the trees. I wrote a song about that when I was really little. So there's even like some kind of fruits or something. I don't know what that is. It might be poisonous. I'm not sure what that is. I'll show you guys the tree. I don't know. They look like kind of like apples, but might be the Snow White apples, if you know what I mean. So there's a beautiful golf course here and a beautiful bridge that I just crossed over. And there's some berries on this side. And a clubhouse feature. So it's just a beautiful day, and I think I'm gonna leave it off here. So enjoy the rest of your day. Peace, love, and light.